When we work with tables, it may be necessary to highlight some numbers, or add coloring of different intensity in order to quickly evaluate the data. Let's see how this can be done in Devtodev. After we have created the table, we need to select the conditional formatting option and select the metrics to which we want to apply it. You can find it in the drop-down menu in the upper right corner above the table. Let's start with active users and choose the type of formatting. Firstly, let's use a color scale. Each value will be overlaid with color and its intensity will depend on the value magnitude. Let the highest values be the brightest. This is what the color scale will look like. Now we will add one more formatting for the ARPU metric. This time let's choose its second type, by specific value, and highlight only those ARPU values that are above 87 cents. Let's fill them with green. This is what the result looks like. Now, if we look at this table, we can quickly determine on which days we have the most active users and ARPU meets our wishes. I would like to demonstrate two more settings. I will select the grouping by country and change the display type. When we set up conditional formatting, you could see two more options here. Format total values. If we check the box here, then conditional formatting will also be applied to the total line and the values in this line will be colored in a certain color. And one more setting, scale condition. Here we choose whether to format the value based on the entire range of metrics or based on the values in each column. For example, active users appear several times in our table. First, it's total active users, then it's active users for January 12th, then it's for the next day, and so on. Using this setting, we set the rule to apply the coloring to the cell based on the entire range of active users' values for the selected days. Or we want to color a cell using only this range of each column. In this case, we have to choose coloring based on the entire range. That is, the color saturation depends not only on the values in this column, but also on the values of active users on other days.